Guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today on the menu, as you can see from the beginning, we made a snapper and pumpkin sauce. I'm not sure that's what Babe wanna call it, because this was Babe's idea. Y'all know this was Babe's idea. So I'm not sure that's what she's gonna call it, but this was a snapper cooked on with pumpkin sauce. And yeah, let's get to tasting. I already said Grace off camera, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I'm gonna taste the rice first. Mm, it's still hot. Okay, now for the fish. Mm. Okay, this fish and this pumpkin sauce is definitely something to try. Now, I'm not a big fan of pumpkin. I don't eat pumpkin at all, usually. But this is absolutely good. I like it. This is really, really good. The sauce is very creamy. You got a hint of pumpkin. It's really nice. I like it. No, guys, I hope you've been having a wonderful week, as I said earlier. Mm. Mm. You'll soon see the final product of the meal. We mm, how we made the sauce, adding the sauce and putting it in with the fish and everything. Ooh. You know what? The only thing this is missing, and it's not really missing anything, but a little bit of pepper. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. This would have been, yeah, this is it. Yeah, I could eat this again. I would definitely eat this again. No, if you're in a relationship, right? Um, how this works for you? They always say that, right? In a relationship, there's always one person who is an overthinker and another person who just doesn't think at all. I'm not, I'm not 100% sure if that's true or not, but I gotta say, I do agree with it a little bit. Especially when it comes to our relationship, right? I'm gonna tell you why. Babe is the kind of person that stresses everything, worries about everything. I mean, the slightest little thing, like she's, oh my gosh, stressed out about it, right? Ah, this food is so good. Me, on the other hand, I don't think about anything. I don't worry about anything, or I try not to, right? It's just a thing. Now, the thing that drives me crazy, and I'm pretty sure for those who don't think about much of anything, this drives you crazy. The fact that you have to constantly keep talking with your spouse about the same thing that they worry about every single day that they get up. Let me take a bite. Mm. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. You know what? This pumpkin sauce. Okay.
the sauce. Babe, what do you think about the fish?
Babe,
Forget the rice. Forget the rice. I'm a rice person. I'm telling you to forget the rice. What do you think about the fish?
you put your foot in the fish. I'm enjoying this fish right here. So I give it a 10. A 10 plus.
You're the first.
Really good. It's really good.
It's my first time making the sauce. What do you think of the sauce?
The sauce, I give it a 10 plus. I'm telling you, this pumpkin sauce with the snapper is the bomb.
It really is though.
I'll eat it again.
Yeah, I agree. I really do agree. No, for those folks who have to constantly reassure the other one that everything is gonna be okay, life is not as crazy as it seems, and it will get better. I appreciate y'all. You know what? Kudos to y'all, cause it's hard work. it's a lot of hard work. I have to step back from this food for a little bit. Alright. I'm back. Now, for the spouses that overthink, my question to you is, the hell wrong with y'all? No life for real. Why? You get up every day and you think about the same thing and worry about the same thing, but things eventually work out, but you still do it. Why? Do you know that you are inadvertently stressing out the other person? Did you think about that? Bet you didn't. I bet you didn't. You did because you're selfish. I said it. I did. You are selfish. Those pumpkin sauces. I don't think I've ever eaten this much pumpkin in my entire life until right now with this sauce. No, I'm not saying that you guys are doing it purposely, because I realize that you guys really can't really help yourselves. It's just a thing. Just like we cannot help ourselves of not worrying about anything. You get what I'm saying? It's just a thing. But I feel, me, just me, I feel like y'all could balance it out a little bit though. Just like how we could balance out tolerating y'all, you know, and not getting annoyed and frustrated, you know. Guys, I gotta turn the fish over. Got me a few little carrots on here. Get those. Get those. Yeah, I feel like, you know, on both ends, we could balance it out a little bit where both parties feel a lot more comfortable and, oh, I made a mess on my shirt. Ouch. But yeah. But it's just always puzzling to me, like, I'm pretty sure likewise to Babe is puzzling to her why I don't worry about anything. It's puzzling to me why she worries about everything. Guys, just so you know, Babe just went for her second round. This is how good this fish is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna surprise both of us at this point. But I should buy I say balance is the key. And kind of respect for each other's kind of mental state. Because clearly it's not right. Neither one is right.
Because technically, it's hard not to worry about things in life these days.
But at the same time, you're killing yourself overly worrying about things. So either way you take it, it's just a balance, and for each person to know that, you know what, it's okay to worry and it's okay not to worry. But that's hard too. That's extremely hard too. So today on the menu for juice, we are having Welch's orange pineapple. I hope I did not forget to mention to you guys that this was my favorite juice. Okay, cool. Mm. I'm not sure if you guys have experienced an overthinker, and if you have, what was your feeling? Just so you know, Babe has her channel open and she's uploading and she's recording, and you could click the link here or the link will be in the description below. So go ahead and check her channel out. You know, she does a whole bunch of comedy and I think she's funny. Okay, so go ahead and check her channel out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel, like her videos, and share her videos also. All right. No, I'm not sure if it's the juice that filled me up just now, but I'm getting there. But technically, I finished all my food. And this fish though, yeah, the sauce and everything on there. Guys, you know what? When Babe came up with this idea, I was like, oh my gosh, she's always doing this to me. I'm thinking in my head, she always does this to me, guys. It's just, and then she'll just sit there and be like, just taste it. Like, that don't make no damn sense. I told you I don't eat it. Why you telling me to taste it? But you know what? I'm not gonna knock her because most of the time she's usually right. It usually tastes pretty good, and I always end up eating it. So when she came up with this one, I was skeptical as usual. I'm like, this bitch hate me. But I'm like, all right, I'm gonna do it. We could do it. We did it, and this shit was the bomb. It was. She was right again. She was. I can't be mad at it at all. Mm-mm. But guys, mm, mm. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me today for this delicious, delicious food. It surprised me. It filled me. It is going to keep me. And I appreciate Babe for coming up with this idea. It was an awesome idea. She's very creative.
And you executed it well. You executed that shit well.
She's very creative and I could appreciate that a whole lot. So thank you guys for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. And hope you have a wonderful week, a beautiful weekend, and a safe one at that. Thank you guys. Always have a wonderful, wonderful day.